Welcome to the universe of beauty, a realm where age is but a number, and every individual holds their unique allure. A place where smiles, born from confidence and self-love, beam as the most radiant accessory. We enter a world where beauty products meet nature, a harmonious blend of self-care and respect for the environment. Here, the dew-kissed petals of a flower and the soothing touch of a skincare product play the same role. They enhance the inherent beauty that exists within each of us. Remember, beauty isn't confined by time or age. It's an inclusive celebration of individuality. It's a symphony, a perfect blend of aesthetics and well-being. So embrace the beauty that is you, and let your confidence shine through in this wonderful dance of life.
Do you want to know the secrets to healthy and glowing skin? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring the mysteries of radiant skin. First up is the secret of a healthy diet. The fuel you put into your body is essentially the building blocks for your skin. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can do wonders for your complexion. Next up, stay hydrated. Water is the key to maintaining your skin's elasticity and suppleness. By keeping yourself adequately hydrated, you're not only quenching your thirst but also nourishing your skin. The third secret is regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity isn't just good for your heart and muscles, but it also improves your skin's health by boosting blood circulation, delivering a natural flush to your skin. Our fourth secret is about giving your skin some special attention through a proper skincare routine. Regular cleansing, toning, and moisturizing can help maintain your skin's health and keep it looking its best. The fifth secret is sun protection. Shielding your skin from harmful UV rays is a crucial step in maintaining its health and preventing signs of premature aging. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Adequate sleep is your skin's rejuvenation time. When you're catching those Z's, your skin is hard at work repairing and renewing itself. Managing stress is our seventh secret. High stress levels can wreak havoc on your skin, causing breakouts and dullness. By practicing relaxation techniques, you can maintain your skin's vitality and glow. The eighth secret is to limit alcohol and smoking. These habits can accelerate the aging process and damage your skin. Making healthier choices can protect your skin and improve its appearance. Finally, never underestimate the importance of regular skin checkups. Consulting a dermatologist for professional advice and skin examinations can help detect any potential issues early and ensure your skin is getting the care it needs. In summary, achieving healthy, glowing skin is a combination of a balanced diet, hydration, regular exercise, a good skincare routine, sun protection, adequate sleep, stress management, limiting harmful habits, and regular skin checkups. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so take care of your skin, and it will certainly shine in return.